In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stacked repeated text animation in Canva. We'll start from a blank design and build a smooth, looping stacked text animation step by step, so you can use it for YouTube intros, TikToks, or any social media video. First, start a video project. Open Canva, click on Create a Design and choose Video. Make sure you select a video format, not a static post or presentation, because we want access to animation features and page transitions. Once your blank video canvas opens, you're ready to build the effect. Now add your base text. Click on the text button, choose Add a Heading and type your main word. For this effect, a short, bold word works best, like stacked, repeat, or your brand name. Pick a bold, chunky font so the layers stand out clearly. Increase the font size so the word is large and easy to read in the center of the screen. This will be the main word you'll repeat in the stack. Next, create the stack layers. With your text selected, duplicate that text layer several times. You can right-click and select Duplicate or use the Copy and Paste shortcuts. Aim for around 3 to 5 copies depending on how thick you want your stack to look. You should now see layers of the same word on top of each other. From here, position and color each layer. Grab one of the duplicates and move it slightly up on the canvas so it peeks out behind the original. Then change its color, for example to white. Take the next duplicate, move it a little further up and change it to another color like blue. Repeat this with the remaining layers, maybe using pink, green, or any color palette that fits your brand. The idea is to create a staircase or shadow look, with multiple colored versions of the same word stacked behind each other. Now add some effects for extra depth. Click on one of the layers, go to the effects panel and choose styles like hollow or outline. Increase the outline thickness so it's clearly visible, and adjust the size slightly if needed so each layer is still readable. You can keep one layer as solid fill and turn others into outline or hollow styles to create a strong stacked repeated text effect. Make sure everything still feels like one group, not random words floating around. Once your first stacked design looks good, duplicate the page. Right-click on the page thumbnail in the timeline at the bottom and select Duplicate Page. This creates a second page with the exact same layout, which is what we need for the animation. On this new second page, align and center everything. Select all your text layers by dragging over them or using Select All. Go to Position at the top and choose Center Options so the entire stack is perfectly centered on the canvas. This will help the match and move transition line everything up smoothly between pages. Next, add a transition between the first and second pages. Click the small plus icon between the two page thumbnails and select Add Transition. Choose Match and Move. This tells Canva to track the movement of your stacked text from one page to the next. Adjust the duration of the transition to control how fast the animation feels. A slightly shorter time gives a snappy effect, while a longer one feels smoother. On the second page, you can create movement if you want an extra pop-up or ladder effect. Select the whole stack and move it slightly up, down, or sideways, or move individual layers a bit to exaggerate the stacked motion. Keep changes small so the animation feels clean and intentional. Now it's time to repeat and animate. Duplicate the second page in the timeline. On this new page, shift the elements back toward their original position or reposition them to create the next step in your sequence. Then add another match and move transition between the pages. Repeat this process, duplicate the latest page, slightly adjust the stack position, and add match and move. This builds a continuous loop where the stacked repeated text keeps moving in a smooth, rhythmic way. When you have enough repeats, set the timing. Click on each page and adjust the page duration to something like 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Shorter durations create a fast, energetic stacked text animation, while longer ones feel more relaxed. Adjust until the overall animation looks smooth and flows nicely. Finally, download your video. Click Share in the top right, select Download, and choose MP4 video as the format. Pick your resolution, then hit Download. Canva will render your stacked repeated text animation, and you'll have a ready-to-use video file you can drop into your edits, post directly to social media, or use as an animated title. That's how to create stacked repeated text animation in Canva, from blank canvas to exported video.